another video. I'm saying another video, I haven't even posted the other video. It's the part 2 basically of the other pickups. What I did was I placed one order one day, one order another day, but this one's taken like literally 5 extra days to come. So it says pull for freshness. Oh, that was a nice sound. And we open it up. It's another tracksuit haul because I really need the tracksuits. Start off with the blue one. I actually haven't had a blue tracksuit for a very long time, so I thought why not just buy a blue one. And I really like this one because it's blue and then it's got a bit of a different shade of blue and then it's got a bit of white, plus the logo isn't where it's normally, it's just different. Then obviously I have the joggers to match. I really like these because they're a bit different to just normal joggers. You know, it's still a plain thing, but you know, it's got a bit of blue, some cream, and there are some Air Maxes, 270s that actually match this tracksuit. I'm gonna see if I can find a pair in my size, and if I do, I'll probably just buy them to look good with this tracksuit. Then these are literally the tracksuits I bought the other day, the grey one and the black one. This is the other colours. There's actually one more colour, which is red, but I don't want to walk around looking like a giant strawberry ice cream, so I'm good. This one's khaki. You always have to have a khaki tracksuit. I was a bit iffy on this colour, it's a bit whatever. This could have been darker and then this colour gone there, but can't really complain because they were excellent price. I would normally leave a description, a link in the description, sorry, but I'm not going to because they have all sold out, so unfortunately you can't buy them. And this is the other one, just, you know, it reminds me of like a mint sauce colour, and then it's got obviously the white. I think the blue one is one of my favourite colours. They all look quite nice, but I think the blue one is one of the best colours. And that's really it. So take care, see you in the next video. Hunter.